Welcome to our channel where we bring you the tastiest and healthiest recipes for your keto journey. In today's video, we're going to show you how to prepare healthy broccoli apple salad. Ingredients: 2 cups broccoli cut into small florets, 2 cups apple cut into cubes, and a 4-cup dried cranberries, and a 4-cup onion chopped and half carrots chopped, and half a cup roasted pecans chopped for the dressing, 3 tbsp extra virgin olive oil, 1 tsp lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, 1 tsp lemon juice, and half tsp apple cider vinegar, 2 tbsp honey, and half tsp salt, and half 2p freshly cracked black pepper. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add 1 tsp salt and broccoli florets in the boiling water. Cook for 2-3 minutes. Drain the water and transfer the broccoli in a pot with ice-cold water to stop cooking. Toss together all the chopped salad ingredients: broccoli, apple, carrots, roasted pecans, dried cranberries in a bowl. Mix the dressing ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, lemon zest, honey, salt, black pepper in another bowl. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix well. Now, serve keto diet-friendly broccoli apple salad. If you are looking for a natural weight loss solution, then click link in the video description below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like